Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lobster balls. First, gather your fresh ingredients and prepare your workspace for an enjoyable cooking experience. We'll start by selecting the best lobster meat and combining it with other key components. Then, we'll move on to the simple steps of mixing and shaping. Finally, I'll guide you through cooking methods that ensure your lobster balls are perfectly tender and flavorful, ready to impress. To begin, ensure you have 1 pound of fresh lobster meat, which should be finely minced for the best consistency. Next, incorporate 8 ounces of good quality fish paste. This is crucial for the ball's bouncy texture. Stir in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of white pepper for seasoning. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and a small pinch of salt, mixing everything until well combined and sticky. After mixing, chill your lobster ball mixture for about 30 minutes. This makes it much easier to handle and shape. Now, using 2 spoons or your hands, gently form the mixture into uniform balls, approximately 1 inch in diameter. For cooking, you can boil them in simmering water for 3 to 5 minutes until they float. Alternatively, deep fry them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Your delicious homemade lobster balls are best served immediately, perhaps as a delightful appetizer. They also make a fantastic addition to hot pot, various soups, or even a quick stir-fry. If you have any leftovers, store the cooked lobster balls in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For longer storage, uncooked balls can be frozen for up to 1 month, ready for your next culinary adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.